We're at Wood Creek Village HOA, raising sunken sidewalks to eliminate trip hazards, improve drainage, and reduce step heights at porches. HOAs and property managers love our smart lift system for non-invasive repairs that look great and stand the test of time. As the exclusive provider of the Smart Lift system, we use high-quality materials, state-of-the-art equipment, and certified technicians. When dealing with sunken or settled concrete, you can always count on Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, Chicagoland's true specialist.